If you are searching for a testimonial collection software, you have come to the right place. You'd already be familiar with the problems you are facing when collecting testimonials from your customers. So that is the exact reason why we are going to see a simple tool today that is affordable and also pretty much does everything that you need in a testimonial collection software. The free tool which we are going to look at is Famewall.io. So Famewall.io was purpose-built to make it simple for your customers to submit a testimonial, so that you don't have to go through the hassle of collecting testimonials. So this tool is in fact used by over 10,000 plus businesses and entrepreneurs worldwide. And what's interesting about this is that Famewall's pricing is also pretty affordable. As you can see here, we have the free plan which you can use to get started with if you are starting to collect testimonials from scratch. And then later you have the standard plan, which is $11.99 per month, and the professional plan, which is $29.99 per month, and the business plan, which is $99.99 per month. So you can choose the plan which suits you the best, but to begin with, you can start with the free plan. Let me just show you how this testimonial collection software works. So I am inside Famewall right now, and I have created an account already, and I have existing walls which are already collecting testimonials and displaying them. So once you are inside Famewall, you create something called a wall. A wall is basically a collection of all your testimonials, collection pages, widgets, wall of fame pages, and much more. So you can think of this as a project to isolate different campaigns. You can create one wall to collect testimonials from your paying customers. You can create another wall to collect testimonials from high valued customers, and so on. Like, you can create multiple different walls to segregate your own testimonial campaigns. Now let's get with the Famewall website testimonials wall. So this wall in particular I'm using to collect and display testimonials on the landing page, which you can see here. So let me scroll down and show you the testimonial wall. And as you can see, I have collected testimonials from my customers using this campaign, and I have displayed it over here. Likewise, you can do it so. Now let me show you the wall. So once you are inside the wall, workspace you see here is the testimonial management dashboard. So here you have all your testimonials which are displayed on your public facing widgets. You can edit them, trim them, add subtitles, download the video, add custom thumbnails, and even categorize the testimonials so that you can later search them when needed for marketing. Now let's get to the collection page, which is the most important part in the software. So once you get to the collection page, this is what you'll be using to collect testimonials directly from your customers. So a collection page is basically going to be a standalone landing page which you will share as a link to your customers. And once your customers get the link, they can open this link in their mobile devices or even their desktop without even having to install anything. So here your customers will be able to send you a text testimonial, a video testimonial, an audio, or an image. You can toggle the options as you like, and you can only collect even text or video. The choice is up to you. And Famewall is fully customizable. As you can see here, there are a lot of collection panels here. So you can toggle and customize the settings over here. Let me show you how it's done. So you have a send in text testimonial here. So you can choose and decide what questions you want to ask in the testimonial collection page here. Let me just show you a sample testimonial and send it to show you how it works. So now I have created and entered a demo testimonial. Let me send the testimonial. So it will ask for these fields, and these fields you can choose to customize and display. For example, here I'm collecting name, email, work title, and so on, but you can choose to disregard the fields by customizing in this collection page panel on what fields you would like to collect from your customers. So let me enter the name. So once I've entered the testimonial, let me click on submit. And as you can see here, there's a scratch card discount which pops up as well. So you can enable rewards for your customers if they submit you a testimonial. Let me scratch this. And you also have the option to post this review by copying this review and ask them to post on Google Business. So that's it. And you can have a custom pop-up here with a thank you note. And you can also add a video here. And as you can see in the home page, I've also added the video. So this is the flow, how it works. And once the customer sends you a testimonial, you'll be receiving an email notification. And you can click that to view the testimonial. Let me show you how it looks when you're viewing the testimonial. So as you can see here, it appears in the collected text testimonials tab. And this is the testimonial which I have received from my customer. I can add it to wall or choose to delete or edit in case there are spelling mistakes or typos. So once I click add to wall, it gets added to the public facing wall here. And this in fact you can use to manage your future testimonials as well. And the reason why this public facing widget matters is that when you later choose to display the testimonials on your website using the testimonial widget, the public facing widgets are only displayed. The private testimonials remain private. They are not displayed on this wall, be it the widget or the wall of fame page and much more. So let me get back to the testimonials. And in case you don't want to display this testimonial, you can click on either archive. So if you archive a testimonial, you can later choose to display it when you need it at the time, or you can choose to delete the testimonial. So that's simple in managing testimonials. And in collection page, here you have the option to customize the branding, and you have the option to upload a personalized video. You can choose what questions you want your customers to answer. I would recommend that you make it as simple as possible and have the least number of questions so that your customers find it enticing to submit your testimonial and don't see it as homework. And there are also templates to choose from in case you are getting started. So we have all the best performing questions categorized into different templates. Also, when it comes to your testimonial collection page, you have the option to enable an AI assistant as well. So here in the text testimonial page, you have the enable AI composer such that you make it simple for your customers to submit your testimonial by simply asking 3 questions, and your customers can in fact record an audio or quickly type in the answers to the testimonial and it generates a draft testimonial. So there is this option to play with as well. You can enable the cross-platform review posting as well, such that once your customers are done submitting a testimonial on Famewall, they can cross-post that review on platforms like Amazon, Google Business, Trustpilot, and much more. And you also have the option to enable automatic approvals. In case you don't want to handle approving your testimonials one by one, you can enable this auto approve collected testimonials, and that will in fact automatically add testimonials to your public facing wall. And finally, you also have the option to collect text testimonial, and you can also collect video testimonials here. So with the video testimonial, your customer will be able to record a testimonial and you can choose what questions they answer. They can redo multiple texts however they like. And there's also the option for audio testimonial, and you can choose which fields you would like to collect. It's fully customizable and flexible. You can also ask for marketing consent in case you want their permission to use it in your marketing. And there's also the discount scratch card pop-up, which you can use to incentivize your customers to submit a testimonial. There's also the thank you pop-up, where you can upload a video or direct them to a specific page after they submit a testimonial. And then there's the fields and button text customization as well. And you can also enable automatic language-based translation so that your testimonial collection page displays in the language of your customers when they view it. You can host this on a custom domain as well. And you can also toggle and customize the social preview features as well. So there are a lot of interesting features in Famewall apart from just displaying the testimonials. In fact, you can see all the options here. You can share your testimonials as videos. You can share your testimonials as images as well. So here, let me show you how the image appears, and you can upload custom backgrounds and display these images on your social media as well. And there's also automations that help you when you're collecting testimonials. So you have the Chrome extension here as well. So using the Chrome extension, you can import testimonials directly from different places with just a click if you already have existing testimonials. In fact, there's an option to also import testimonial, as you can see here. There are 30+ platforms where you can import testimonials from. And coming to the automation, you also have our API and automation. If you're using AI agents, you can use the API as well. And regarding the automation, so here's the automation. You have Zapier, Webhook, and Make. You can use these automations such that when testimonials are submitted or collected, you can send them a gift card, a thank you email, or connect with Google Drive. And in fact, you can connect with 5,000+ apps using Zapier, Make, and Webhooks. So that is as simple a demo as how Famewall helps you collect testimonials. It ranks as a pretty good and simple, affordable testimonial collection software. I hope you found this video useful. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.